Troubleshooting a StartBox begins with following both the signal and the power wires until the problem is located. Cycle your lawn controller and listen for the contactor to click. Generally, the click means the problem is on the power side of the system. If your pump is not running after hearing the click, check for voltage at the top of the contactor. If no voltage is present, turn off the lawn controller and check your breaker. Verify 120 volts is now at the top of the contactor. Or, if after hearing a click, power is detected at the top of the contactor, check for the same voltage at the bottom of the contactor. If the bottom equals the top, your contactor is functioning. Next, take a reading at the motor to determine if the wiring between the StartBox and pump is bad, or if the pump motor is the issue. If the wiring or the pump motor is the problem, consult an electrician or an irrigation professional. When you cycle the lawn controller and do not hear a contactor click, generally the problem is on the signal side of the system. First, verify the lawn controller is sending a 24-volt signal. Check the master valve and common terminals with a voltmeter, and check for loose modules in all wire connections. Verify the signal received at the side of the contactor is the same as what leaves the lawn controller. Again, verify wire connections, this time in the StartBox itself. Lastly, check for the continuity of the contactor. Remove the power wires from the breaker into the pump and energize the coil by cycling the lawn controller, taking an OHM reading from T1 to L1 and T2 to L2, which will show if the contactor is working or needs to be replaced. For more help with the StartBox or other products, contact Monroe.